For the next video in the series about profile fields, we're going to talk about adding some validation and some other information on the stuff on the fields. So if we look at item again, and we check the profile fields, we see that we have added a label of made internally, yes or no, is typically what you want to say. And the color and brand are still there, and the other profiles are there. Now, if we look at SciProf, and we switch that to profiles for items, we see that it's made internally, and the checkbox is yes, and the lookup is also checked. So it's always going to look it up, but whether it enforces that lookup is based on the checkbox, and we're going to uncheck that. So only 3 is enforced to made internally, yes or no. So we're going to save those changes, and we're going to quit the items because it's loaded on screen load. Now, here's the fun part. And because I know this, item profile fields are ITPF, and there's 1 through, as you can see here, there's 1 for every profile field, so 1 through 60. Basically, it's, ITPF 1, ITPF 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ITF 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, etc. So here's the item profile codes for 3, and it's a look into the codes table, and you'll see that we have no or yes, and we have a mix of no is and N for uppercase, and Y for yes for lowercase. And we're going to say no, not made internally, because this description is typically for people only. It's for your use. So we're going to say that. Yes, we want to say that. Now if we go back to item and we go to profile field, color and brand, some brand value, but it's not enforcing it because we did not check the checkbox. Made internally, yes. You'll see that it is red because that is not the appropriate code. It was a lowercase y, so what if we do an uppercase y? It is not case sensitive, and you see that that goes away. And so we can say yes or no, y or n. There's also a way to look this up. I think it's F2. Look at that. I think in my remote desktop, the function key is not translating super well. So we see that there's the codes. We can look this up by right-clicking if nothing else, but it does enforce that that is set, and let you know right away if we are enforcing one of a distinct set of values and whether it means it or not. Older systems may only have profile fields for some smaller set of, they may only have lookups for a smaller set of profile fields, but I believe that everyone is got the full boat, as they say, the full load. So there's 1 through 30, 31 through 60. So you can add a label to anyone you want. You can have anyone be a lookup and enforce that lookup or not. And that is the information on controlling your profile fields.